Vanelli, the Director of Education for Skylum, and I'd like to share a video I received from Skylum's Chief Product Manager, Dima Setnik. Now, Dima gives us a sneak peek of the new AI sky replacement filter, which will be released in Luminar 4 this fall. Now, keep in mind, this is a beta version, so the user interface may change. Now, the main goal behind sky replacement is to make photos with simple, boring skies more interesting. Here's how it works. You select the AI sky replacement filter from the filters catalog, adjust the amount slider, and then use the texture slider to select different skies. AI sky replacement automatically detects the sky, identifies its angle, and applies a new sky to make it look realistic. It's so intelligent, it knows exactly where the sky begins and ends. Now, let's try this on a more difficult example. This building makes replacing the sky a little more complicated. Notice how AI sky replacement is smart enough to recognize the building's columns and replace the sky to make it look realistic. Now, if you think this scene looks a little dark, you could use Accent AI to lift the foreground shadows and balance the brightness in the sky. Now, enhancing images with many semi-transparent objects, such as trees, has always been difficult. Let's take a look at how AI sky replacement handles these difficult images. Notice how it replaces the sky in the semi-transparent areas and also allows the sky to shine through these areas to make it look realistic. Now, the AI sky replacement is just one of the many AI tools that will be released in Luminar 4 this fall. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek video. Well, I'm Vanelli. Thanks for watching.